Welcome to our channel Physics Concepts by Ali sir. In the today's session, we are going to discuss one of the very important topic of the heat, that is conversion of matter. What is this conversion of matter? Those all things. Then now let us see. And this question was asked nearly 7-8 times in the board exam. Now let us see what is meant by that. And here is the question asked like this: solid The question asked what are ABCD, okay, and what is meant by A, what is meant by B, what is meant by C, D, those all things asked. Now let us see what these are ABCD. Don't say that is all alphabets. And now let us see what is meant by this A. And A is nothing but the solid to liquid. The process of converting the solid to liquid. What do we call that one? That is we are calling as melting or fission. Melting or fission. What is the definition we can take? The process of converting solid state into liquid state. By supplying energy. So what is B? So this will be solid to liquid, that is melting or fission. We used to call it as melting or fusion. Can be takes place only because of by supplying energy. Then without energy it cannot convert into solid state to the liquid state. Next one is B. This we can take two definitions. One is evaporation or boiling. Now let us take these two. First, now let us take evaporation. The process of converting liquid state to gaseous state by its own. For this evaporation, this is the evaporation is the process of converting liquid state to gaseous state. It doesn't require any external energy. It will take place on its own. How it will be, then you can see the previous sessions videos, then you will understand how the process takes place. The next one is boiling. In the same we can take even a boiling also. What is this one? The process of converting liquid state to gaseous state by supplying energy. So here is a difference between evaporation don't require any energy, but boiling it requires energy. Okay, right. Next one is the C. What is meant by C? So one more also we can take. A and B are endothermic reactions. Heat or energy is absorbed in this situation, is absorbed. So from left to right. So this is a very important, means left to right hand sense in this series, solid to gas. So what do we call that is a solid to gas, left to right hand sense solid to gas. So this part completed. Okay, take a screenshot, Nana. We'll go for the next. Okay, right. Now let's go the gas. C. What is a C? C, condensation. What is meant by the condensation? This is we are calling as the process of converting gaseous state into liquid state. So that is we are calling as the process of converting gaseous state to liquid state is called as a condensation. The properties you know that one, and here is then what will happens that energy is releasing or absorbing. In this case it is in this situation energy releases out, because energy will be released outside. So we can say that is in this gaseous state to liquid state, the energy is releases. So the question will be asked you, in this liquid state to gaseous state, energy released or absorbed, you should say. So left to right in sense energy will be absorbed, right to left in sense energy will be released. And last one, D. What is that one? D, condensation. And freezing. What is meant by the freezing? The process of converting liquid state to solid state. So these two also in this situation energy releases out. So remember, in this situation, this what we are taking, the gas, and in this is a solid. So what is this one? Right to left. Energy releases. So if anyone on numerical it is given energy is released or absorbed in sense, you should say this one. If it is from the solid state to the gaseous state, heat will be absorbed, it will be taken by the system. And if it is the gaseous state to the solid state, heat will be released by the system. Okay, did you understand why it is heat is releases, heat absorbs? You can see in the previous session, and in the videos are there, and in that one very clearly detailed information is given for each and every concept, and okay, you go through that, you will understand very clearly. Then this one also will be sufficient to you, no problem. And okay, I hope that this session is very much helpful for you, and support me, Nana. Wish you all the best.